Good morning, guys. Tesla is showing some incredible relative strength into its battery day tomorrow. All right. The awesome thing with TC2000, you can go through hundreds of charts in just a few minutes, like I just did. I didn't do any scanning during the weekend, since I was busy doing other stuff, so I had to do it now. I just didn't see anything. Didn't find anything good right now. Yeah, I know. There's an imposter on Twitter. If everyone can go and try to report that guy. It's my Twitter handle, but with two E's on the end. Um, thanks for calling that fake account out. Yeah, B. It was just so fast. I missed it. I kind of missed it. I had an alert set on it. I was like, nah. And then it suddenly was like at $16, and I was like, oh shit. And then it was 16.50. I was like, nah. I know. I should have bought it. If it dips back to low 16s, maybe I'll dip buy this thing. I rarely dip buy stuff, but may make an exception for this one. Plug had also a really strong day. Like, Plug is annoying one. I bought it on this day here, I got stopped out here, and then it on Friday had a big move, and today obviously it's kind of gapping down a bunch. But yeah, that's the problem with choppy markets. You get these breakouts that look really good, and then they stop you out, and then they go higher sometimes. That's the problem with choppy markets. I really don't see much. Like my longs are holding up really well, like Zillow, DraftKings, NIO. I bought some CrowdStrike on Friday. I don't know why, to be honest. It wasn't that great of a setup. It did show some relative strength and stuff like that, but well, you know, yeah, whatever, whatever. Maybe it was a boredom trade. I am watching Tesla. Like, this thing is gapping up with the markets gapping down. It's just showing incredible relative strength. It's kind of flagging on the 60-minute chart. I think they want to run this thing into tomorrow. So I'm watching it. I'm gonna maybe watch it through yesterday's highs and opening range highs for today. Not yesterday's highs, Friday's highs. I had the tooth surgery on Friday, so that's why I didn't stream. Twitter holding up well. Yeah, Twitter was also strong on Friday. Now it's gapping down. You can clearly see the stocks that are strong and want to go. Like Peloton had a really strong candle on Friday. Zoom, W, like, you know, these things are super strong. BE. Surgery was fine. But it kind of sucks right now. I'm a bit swollen. So it's a little bit hard to eat. Yes, that's I know. I think they want to run it up into the battery day. And then after the battery day, we'll see what they say and how the market reacts. They could sell it or they could take it higher. It's just impossible to know. But I'm watching. Tesla is really my only watch out of the gate. Not really interested in anything else. At all. Alright, let's get... Oh, looks like CrowdStrike is gonna stop me. Oh, what a piece of shit. Why did I buy it? I don't even know why I bought it. The markets were tanking. Why did I try to buy a breakout? Markets were first tanking, then rallying into declining. You shouldn't buy breakouts when the 10 days below the 20 day and sloping lower. And now the 20 days starting to slope lower. And all the price is also below the 50 day. This is really... a void breakout type of a market. But sometimes I get suckered in. You know what? Shit happens. Wow. Tesla, what a big candle it just had. Gonna open up above Friday's highs. Yeah, silver and gold are selling off. I hope the selling continues. I really want that test of the rising 100-day in the SPYs and the Nasdaq, but looks like we're bouncing right now. That sucks. What? Roku, what a strong candle. What's going on with Roku? Of course, CrowdStrike stopped me out and now it's rallying. you know, I don't even want to talk about it. I lost 180k on CrowdStrike by being stupid. You know, why do I do stuff like that? Zoom is taking out Friday size. Man, the strong ones are really strong. Okay, I bought some Tesla. I bought 10,000 shares of Tesla. This one is has a catalyst. Peloton also taking out Friday size. Damn. These things are strong. We're gonna rally and then we're gonna get rejected in the declining supply, the 10 and the 20 EMAs. We just can't go straight down. Why can't we just go straight down? That would be best for everyone. Bulls, the bears, the cows. Everyone would be better off instead of getting this shop. The airlines are really breaking down here hard. Okay, Tesla looks like it's probably gonna stop me out. Can't withstand the market selling. Oh shit, Fastly. Oh my god. This thing looks amazing. Oh man, I need to buy this thing. I can't. Man, this is the worst market ever. When you have shitty, when the indices are shitty, but you have some really strong setups. Worst market ever for a swing trader. It's just so hard to navigate it. You kind of know you shouldn't buy breakouts, but then there are these amazing ones, some of which work. I'm hoping this thing dips a little bit so I can get some stock. This thing looks amazing on the weekly chart, just coming out of like a 6-month lag. Or not 6 months, sorry, this is like 3 months. 3 months. Or 4 months. Alright, we're selling off again. This is good, very good. The faster we can go down and undercut the 100-day or even retest the 200-day or undercut that one, the better. The faster, the better. The more violent it is, the better. Okay, I got stopped out of Tesla. Took a $66,000 loss on it. Let's see if we can get some panic. We want to see some panic. To get a nice tradable bottom, we need to see some panic. And fastly, this thing can't dip, even though the markets are selling off. Of course it can't. Apps from the Tuesday breakout looks still really strong, green on the day. Oh, come on, Fastly. Come on, give us a dip. Really? It's not gonna dip at all? Oh shit, Fastly, man. Really? They really gonna do this to me? They're gonna do this to me, okay. Well, I guess I have to buy half size over highs of the day. Jesus Christ. Well, I got filled on like tiny bit. Oh. Oh, really fastly. I wanted to buy 50,000 shares on a dip, so now I try to buy 25,000 through the ISO. The day I only got filled on 6,000 shares. 6,000 tiny shares. Oh my god, Roku took out the highs of the day. I missed this one. How is this even possible? Well, I have a tenth of a position in Fastly. That sucks. Jesus Christ, I can't believe I missed this thing. Oh man, and now NIO is tanking on me. Okay. Yeah, I had a Roku position too. Bought it on this day here, got stopped out. Sucks. Really sucks, man. Shopee markets. This is why 99% of everyone in trading make it. Because it's so easy. Really? Roku straight up? Fastly straight up? I love it. Oh my god. Are you kidding me? I'm in a 10th size. W also about to take out Friday size. What a beast. Thing is, there's so many good setups. It's unbelievable. There's just so many good setups, but I still think the market's gonna be choppy. That's what makes it so tricky. Cyclic analysis, well, Historically, September and October are really bad months. That's also a problem. Like what I think is going to happen, we're going to rally, like the Nasdaq 100, we're going to rally into the rising 100-day or the rising 10 EMA or the rising 20 EMA, and then we're going to get rejected and going to go even lower. It's going to be choppy, choppy, choppy. That's what I'm afraid of. But there are many good setups and potential setups setting up. Now Roku was a really incredible setup. I should have been, doing some opening range highs. I just missed it. Fuck. And Fastly, I'm still trying to buy some in a dip. Probably never gonna get filled. Twilio has been building higher lows of the rising 100. Now it's kind of bouncing off the 100-day. What I think of window dressing, I don't really give a shit. Focus on setups. Window dressing is not gonna make you money in one way or another. It's just another thing that may or may not exist. SHLL, I was watching it on Friday, but yeah. Tesla is trying to come back here. Man, things are starting to trigger. Can't we just start selling off again? Come on, sell off. This rally is the worst thing that could happen for us swing longs. It just prolongs the inevitable. It's gonna lure people into these breakouts, and then we're gonna go lower. A lot of these breakouts are gonna fail. May not happen, but I think is what's gonna happen. Come on, sell off. Come on. Let's take out the lows of the day. These airlines look like shit, man. I mean, these kind of breakdown setups can work when they break out. These are essentially big bear flags. This thing, like Save, UAL, they could all go down 30-40% in the next couple of months from these setups. Not my type of setup, but they can work. Many of these growth momentum leaders are really holding up well. A lot of them have turned green. Turned green on the day. That's a sign of strength. Is Overstock a trade? I don't know. Is there a setup there? There was a maybe setup on it on Friday, but I don't know. Sohu, yeah, it's kind of going sideways. Surfing the 50-day for now. NTN, I don't know, it just looks like a if it bounces and gets rejected on the VWAP, could be a short setup there. Rio, no opinion on this one. Tupperware looks short. I don't know, maybe. Yeah, Pinterest is a beast. Let's see here. Oh yeah. This is a nice looking bull flag. It's been building higher lows for a while now, ish. It's been a bit choppy, but it's been holding up really well. Pinterest opening range breakout long? Why? It's still in a range. How I explain the Tupperware move? Easy, momentum. That's it. All you need to know. Well, you're laughing now, but wait when you have made tens of millions trading momentum. Well, I guess you will be laughing then also. It is that easy. You don't need to know anything more. Does it matter? Like it went up 85% from this breakout here, right? Does it matter what drove the stock? Revenue growth, earnings growth, upcoming event. All you know is it had big momentum, okay? Had a nice setup and a nice high tide flag and broke out that went higher. Like if you go to the store, if you bought that breakout You want to spend that money. I promise you, no one is going to ask you how you made that money. They're not going to reject your purchase if you told them, hey, I made this money trading momentum. Trust me on that one. I know it can be hard sometimes buying, like explaining moves. You can't really find a specific catalyst. Like Tupperware, I have no idea. Like, why isn't this thing bankrupt yet? Like, who the fuck buys Tupperware? Like, 90% of their core customers are gonna die natural deaths within the next 10 years. I mean, really, who the hell buys Tupperware? Are Tupperware parties still a thing? Like, what the fuck? Why is this thing up 1800%? I don't know. Just pure momentum. There's really no fundamentals to explain this. Like, they're losing money, there's shitty margins, high debt, all of that, it's just a matter of time. Same thing with GameStop. Like, why is this thing up? Why has this thing doubled in the past month? It should already be bankrupt. They should just shut it down. But right now it has momentum, and if it has a good setup, I'll buy it. Home cooking, yeah, but still, who the hell buys Tupperware? Martha Stewart. Are they still even like selling Tupperware things? Like, where do you buy Tupperware? I haven't seen Tupperware in the past like 10-15 years. I remember it used to be a thing when I was a kid. Like, I remember like people were selling those things. Your girlfriend does buy Tupperware? Okay. There you go. It is good quality? Okay. Yeah, SHLL was set up on Friday. I was even watching it, but I never bought it. It was kind of thin and, well, yeah. Okay, we're going lower. I think I'm gonna get stopped out of NIO. Feels like I'm gonna... Unless he can put in another higher low and bounce, but it's kind of testing this 20-day again, and this is a good thing. This is a good thing. And now all these breakout buyers are gonna get their asses handed to them. The stocks that triggered on Friday and today. I really think so. I think we are gonna go lower. I hope, I really hope so. We need to see some panic. Like real panic. But I will buy that starter of Fastly. Oh, okay, never mind. I already got filled on starter Fastly. So I have 25,000 shares now. It's just such a good setup. Like, it's been building higher lows for 2 months. It's been going sideways for what, 3-4 months? Like, it's just breaking out on the weekly chart. I'm gonna use a kind of a wide stop. Kind of a wide stop. What's Roku doing? Wow, Roku is hitting new highs. Are you kidding me? What's Zoom doing? Zoom hitting new highs. Peloton. Oh yeah, all these lockdown stocks are just insanely strong. What's Netflix doing? Netflix is not in the same league though. Panic? I don't really care about VIX. I just want to see like the markets have, multiple big red days in a row. Something like we had here, right? These 2 big red days. Like we get those kind of days after we already sold off a little bit. We had the first leg of selling, went sideways, tried to bounce. Let's look at the Nasdaq 100. And now we are on the second leg of selling. So I want to see candles like these, like we had on here and this day, like down here. Like I want to see like an undercut one of these major moving averages. Yeah, you can play stops using the average true range, absolutely. Because it's gonna be adaptable to the recent volatility, which makes sense, you know. I think it could be a good idea. I don't really do that much. Yeah, Zoom is a beast. I guess it was a buy when it bounced off the 10-day on this day here, man. That's the thing with the highest momentum stocks, man. They just don't give you good setup many times. They're just too fast. Incredible. That's the problem with the strongest stocks many times. Okay, Square looks like it undercut the 50-day again and put in another higher low. That's a good sign. It's one of the market leaders right now. What's Shopify doing? Shopify undercut the 100-day and it's kind of trying to consolidate here. Okay. Fiverr looks good. This is a thinner name, but it looks really good. Really, really good. If it Upwork weekly chart. Upwork, yeah, I'm not really excited about this one. It's like I'd rather go with Fiverr. There's really not much momentum in this thing. Yeah, it's a nice consolidation, but it needs some news or a catalyst or something. I wouldn't buy a breakout of this thing. It's not a momentum leader. Or is it? I mean, look, if you have, it could work, absolutely. But I don't know. I'd rather go with some of the momentum leaders. But it does look good on the weekly. It looks really good on the weekly. It does. Okay, UVXY is taking out highs of the day. Interesting. Markets are not near the lows of the day. Or they are. SPYs are. Okay. Which means the markets are weird. Or someone is not trusting this bounce attempt. Like SC, another one. Like it's just a great looking setup, man. If we can just get this little panic out of the way, like if we can undercut the 100-day and maybe even retest the 150 or something, the faster it happens, the better. The shop is just super annoying. SPT. Nah, I don't know. Not really a momentum leader. But if it breaks out of here with volume, it could be a decent setup, absolutely. All right, I think I'm gonna cut the stream. There's just not much going on. It's gonna be shoppy. Swing school. Look, guys, there's plenty of information out there. Like the current swing trading school videos, you know. There's enough there. The summer break. Now I'm gonna do more swing trading schools, but right now I have other stuff to do. I'm kind of busy this week. I need to study for my boat exam, and sitting here and watching shop is really the last thing I want to do. Also, one of my moderators kind of compiled all the swing trading school videos into one long YouTube. He may share it soon, I think. Am I sailing? Yeah, I'm gonna drive to the edge of the earth. Absolutely. Alright guys, thanks for joining, and I'll see you tomorrow. Also, try not to get chopped up. If you want to buy breakouts, really make sure it's a really good one. Because we may have another big gap down tomorrow and big down day tomorrow, even if we end up strong today, and you know, just may get stopped out of everything. I don't know. Just do not trust this market right now.